Shadow AI use becoming a driver of insider cyber risk. Off-the-books use of generative AI tools will inevitably lead to a costly, high-profile data breach for someone, but a little attention paid to appropriate data management policy can help mitigate the risk. The explosion in the use of generative AI tools based on large language models, LLMs, will almost inevitably lead to multiple major insider data breach incidents within the next 12 months. As LLM-powered chatbots, ChatGPT being the most prevalent and notable, become more powerful, many organizations have quite reasonably cracked down on what data can be shared with them. However, according to Impervas, an overwhelming majority of organizations still have no insider risk strategy in place and so remain blind to the use of generative AI by users who want a little help with tasks such as writing code or filling out forms. People don't need to have malicious intent to cause a data breach. Insider threats are thought to be the underlying reason for almost 60% of data breaches, according to Impervas' own data, but many are still not properly prioritized by organizations since a not insignificant number of them are simply cases of human error. Trying to restrict AI usage inside the organization now was very much a case of shutting the stable door after the horse had bolted. We've seen this with so many other technologies. People are inevitably able to find their way around such restrictions, and so prohibitions just create an endless game of whack-a-mole for security teams, without keeping the enterprise meaningfully safer. He suggested that instead of imposing bans or relying on employees self-policing their use of tools such as ChatGPT, security teams should be directed to focus on the data, rather than the chatbot, and make sure they know the answers to questions such as, who is accessing what? What are they accessing? How are they accessing it? Where are they located? There are 3 immediate steps that organizations can direct their security budget towards right now that may go some way towards alleviating the risk and helping ensure the business does not fall victim to a high-profile, AI-induced insider breach. First, it is important that organizations take steps to discover and retain visibility over every data repository in their environment. Second, all of these data assets should be inventoried and classified according to type, sensitivity, and value to the business. Finally, organizations should look to spend on improved data monitoring and analytics tools to detect issues such as anomalous behavior from employees, data being moved around or exfiltrated, or sudden instances of privilege escalation or the creation of new, suspicious accounts, all harbingers of a serious incident.